Did you know Spanish letters don't sound the way you think? Let's learn the Spanish alphabet correctly. A is pronounced A. Hola, amigos! Like in amigo. B is pronounced B. Like in biblioteca. C is pronounced C. Like in casa. D is pronounced de, like in dia. E is pronounced e, like in elefante. F is pronounced efe, like in familia.
G is pronounced he, like in gato.
H is called ach, but it's silent in words. I is pronounced E, like in Isla.
J is pronounced jota, like in Jose.
K is pronounced ka, like in kilómetro. K. L is pronounced ele, like in libro. M is pronounced M, like in mano. N is pronounced N, like in noche. N. This is the letter ñ. O is pronounced O, like in oso.
P is pronounced pe, like in perro.
Q is pronounced ku, like in queso. Q.
R is pronounced ere, like in rojo.
S is pronounced ese, like in sol. T is pronounced te, like in tiempo. U is pronounced u, like in uno. V is pronounced uve, like in ventana. W is called W.
X is pronounced equis, like in examen.
Y is pronounced ye, like in yo.
Z is pronounced zeta, like in zapato.